dominate. That was the beginning of the war. Up.
History is unfolding before your eyes as we introduce you to Cameo, the trailblazing St. Paul Molossus Mastiff undergoing professional protection dog training. What sets Cameo apart is his extraordinary bite force, a jaw-crushing 750 psi. He doesn't just separate the men from the boys. He sends sport decoys soaring over the fence with sheer power. His civil and defensive drive instills fear in even the most seasoned decoys. But behind his ferocious protection instincts, there's an off switch that transforms this mighty guardian into a gentle giant. His balanced, calm, and sweet personality is equally remarkable, making him a true rarity in the world of protection dogs. Join us and witness history in the making as Rod handles a Molossus Mastiff like no other in bite work. Cameo is a unique breed, and his journey is rewriting the rulebook of canine protection training. Don't miss this extraordinary journey.
Watch. Watch. Good boy.
Games begin. Somebody has to die.
Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Okay. Out. Okay. Okay. I'll try to guide him while holding the back of the collar. Hey, can you give me those gloves? The one with those gloves over there? I got you, brother. Stay. Stay. So I'll try to hold his head so that you can put it. Good boy. Right in his mouth. Okay. So his command is watch.
That's pretty good on and off.
No, it is. His command is watch, and his bite command is hit. I'm gonna be changing that to pass off, and so you'll see me going between watch and pass off, and hit and FOS. Okay. So I can change his command. Watch.
You want to change it?
Watch. 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 Pass off. Pass off. Pass off. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, no. Good boy. Good bite. You good? Okay. Out.
Yeah, he jumped to the face, man.
Yeah, I saw I was holding it. And I pulled him back.
Anticipated it.
Out. Sit. Sit.
I know with him that
Down.
he's absolutely capable of that.
Yeah. So that's why when he did it, I had him right there. I pulled him right off because I knew he was going to do it. Good boy. Good boy. So when I saw that one time you got it all the way in.
Yeah.
Did you feel it?
Yeah, you can feel it quite. I mean, I can feel the pressure.
Okay.
So you can definitely, I think, in my opinion, he's got more.
You okay?
I think he's so focused on, and again, unexperienced.
Yeah.
Or lack of experience.
Well, just tell me what you're seeing because
what
I'm
I'm
behind.
feeling is, from the energy I'm getting from him, he is so focused on me. He's not yet.
Okay.
Because I mean, I know I could probably feel him through that.
Right.
Way worse. Like I feel like he should be crushed.
He's like climbing off because he's trying to get over
I feel
it.
like he's like at maybe 30%.
Yeah. So because what I'm seeing is look like he's biting it, but he's like caking out his mouth and trying to go
Yeah,
over
he's
it.
looking for his moment, in my opinion.
Yeah,
to
the
jump.
jump and go for your face.
Yeah.
That's what I was looking at, and I was like, he's not pushing in all the way
Yeah.
because he's too busy trying to be sneaky.
Yeah, he's getting
You mean-
something. He's trying to. I think what he's, in my opinion, is he's smart enough to know if I get you in closer, let me drag you.
Yeah, and it seems like he's
Calculate.
trying to get you in
Yeah,
closer,
I think he's
so that once you bite it, I start pulling back
Yeah.
to keep him from doing that. He's really smart dog. You want to give him another one? So you know why I said we can't put him on that bite jacket.
Yeah.
There's no way.
Yeah, there's no way he'll go right for the.
He'll
face.
go. Yeah, and also he would rip.
Yeah, you're gonna get stitches and probably surgery.
The first thing I'm thinking he's gonna do is gonna break your arm.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Before anything, it's got to
Yeah.
snap with that pressure, right? So
Especially without having that under sleeve. Feeling that.
Yeah.
That's why I'm glad I dealt with that shepherd, man. Because after dealing with that shepherd, there ain't no.
you understand that, right?
Out something to pad that one. 'cause
Right.
Dude, that shepherd.
He would rip.
Did you see the? He already
Got him.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, he got him. He got him
Already.
good.
But,
And this one, like I said, and I mean his switch is amazing. If I
Yeah.
tell him to stop, he'll stop. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? It's just that when I tell him to go, he's all civil. It's all
you can
real.
See, he's shaking in his. So
He's
bad.
wanting it, right? All right, we'll give him one more. We'll have to
Slow
do 2 minutes.
motion?
Yeah.